I came to the Philippines to pick up my mom because she was here and we were all supposed to go back to the States. And like 2 days before I was supposed to go back, I auditioned for this. Yeah. And then I got in. So yeah, that's how quick your life can change.
And then ever since then,
I've just been working and
man, that's crazy. Yeah, so you have a house here now? That's cool.
Yeah, I got a house.
You own it?
I bought a house. Yeah, of course. And then the reason why I joined PBB because I wanted to buy my mom a house.
Yeah.
When I came out, I bought her house in I don't know Jensen. You know where Jensen is? Taga-San si Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah. More house than that.
That's where I'm from, here in the Philippines.
Wow.
That's where my mom's from, and then I bought her a house there. So
That's so cool.
once you buy your mom's house, you can do what you want. So.
That's amazing. At least I think it worked out for you.
Sobrang blessed lang, bro. Just, you know, after, kasi I'm sure paglabas yun, ang dami mga bagong opportunities. So, just don't take it for granted.
Yeah.
Do your best. Do your best.
Yeah.
But before that, enjoy nyo lang muna to. Enjoy this moment. Yung mga last weeks na meron kayo, di ba? Enjoy nyo lang kasi hindi nyo lang kailan mahuli to eh. You don't know when it's gonna happen again.
Yeah. Exactly. And I'm sure, man, never gonna happen again where you're in this house, you know?
Well, PBB won't happen again, but
like I said, there's
a lot of opportunities for you guys. So
nakatanga lang
just really do your best.
Yeah.
Right? So, okay sa'yo, Roger?
Na.
Ikaw, anong masasabi mo sa lahat ng ito? Blessing. Sobra. Tulad
Kung
ng
isa-isahin mo kasi yung mga kwento namin, we have different stories na pwedeng i-share dito and ma-i-inspire kapag narinig mo yun. Chubas. Kaya minsan kasi, wag ka lang kami dito, hindi kami nagkukwento ng life lang namin. We're asking for the life story of others kasi yung mas nakaka-inspire.
Yeah.
Kasi, kunyari, yan, na-experience mo sila, ikaw yung experience. Ma-apply mo minsan sa sarili. And what you said, lahat naman sinasabi nyo, kung pakinggan na namin at ibaon na namin yun, magagamit namin tayo kami paglabas namin dito.
Tsaka sinabi ko kina Brady kanina, na kung maibig man kayo, or pagtapos ng big night, pakinggan nyo kung ano sasabihin ni Kuya. Kasi you'll always remember that. Whatever Kuya tells you when you guys come out, always remember that. Because there's going to be lots of ups and downs, a lot of blessings and problems that are going to come. But just always remember what you had here and what you learned here. Yeah. Do you Ken?
Honestly, I thought I came into the show thinking it was just going to be a game. We're going to play it and try to win it. No. This is a psychological test.
Yeah.
Man, they pull some things out of you, you know?
Yeah.
And they make you face it. They make you deal with whatever.
You guys feel like different people now? No, well, I don't know if you guys are so young, but how do you guys feel about being here?
Grabe.
Grabe. Yeah? About you?
Yeah, of course, after coming out here, it's going to change your life. So. It's kind of overwhelming.
Yeah? Is this your first time here in the Philippines?
I came here last year as well.
Before all this, of course.
I also grew up in Cebu.
Ah, okay. Nice. Ako nga, akala ko nung bago ako papasok, akala ko parang school camp lang. Alam mo yung summer camp lang. Tapos pagpasok ko, ibang-iba talaga. Diba? Ibang-iba. Basta, enjoy nyo lang. Sabi ko kanina, pag may show ako sa abroad, ngayon kami, lagi kami tour abroad. Hanggang ngayon, people come up to me, they say, I voted for you in PBB. So that just inspires you. So many people are looking up to you guys right now. Huh?
Abroad from the Philippines.
Yeah, like if we'd go to Europe, if we'd go to the States, Canada, Australia, I had a couple people come up to me like, nung PBB ka pa, binoto ka namin. So you have to think about those people also. You guys inspire.
That's crazy.
Kasi marami na kayo, pwede ko ba siya? Basta, marami natutuwa sa inyo. Marami natutuwa sa inyo. Yeah. So,
ikaw ba yung lalaki?
Sigaw sa inyo!
Ano?
Oh my
Sumisigaw
God.
si Miho.
Oh, they pulled out
Ako may
some
anak.
snacks. Oh, yeah, they must.
Oh man.
Eh, gusto daw nilang ma-experience yung ahas eh.
Ito po kasi sinasabi namin gubat ni Kuya Roger.
Oo, kaya dyan may angas.
G-Boys.
Ano sa ratio po ninyo? Din dyan din po.
Hindi bro.
Diba, may
They didn't
bahay
have social
yun.
media room.
Iba,